The voiceover was done with VoiceMaker text-to-speech software. Link is in the description. So what I want to do is disable this text. After 1 second the game is started. So let's start off by creating a new C# script. Now create a new void and inside it type what you want to delay. Now in the start method type invoke bracket your void name comma the time to delay bracket. Head back into Unity and assign the script to the player. Now let's test it. It's working. Let's try increasing the delay time to 3. As you can see, it's working. Thanks for watching, and a special thanks to voicemaker.in for some awesome text-to-speech. Link is in the description. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, bye bye.